Do you want to manage multiple emails in a single inbox? With xCloud MailBox, you can create email aliases that redirect messages to your main mailbox. Let us get started. First, log in to xCloud and head over to the add-ons. Then go to the mailbox and open the dashboard. From the dashboard, go to the Aliases tab. Next, click on the Add New button. A pop-up window will appear. Type the alias email address you want and choose the domain from the drop-down. Then select the mailbox where this alias should redirect. Finally, click the Add Alias button to proceed with this address. And your alias email address will be created instantly. If you want to edit or delete a forwarding address, click on the three-dot icon next to it and adjust according to your preferences. That's it! Now you can manage multiple email addresses without the need to create separate mailboxes. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.